The Enrichment Festival here at Wellington Place is a unique event we deliver for MEPC.
When I came in, I was like, oh wow, like I didn't expect it to be like this good. At some point you felt like you were actually in the business.
It looked intimidating, but when you get in and you meet the people, it's really nice.
Students, particularly from like our school, don't get to experience this a lot, so this is something that, you know, they probably wouldn't have been able to do if it wasn't for the partnership that had created it, so it's just a really good opportunity for them.
I think events like this give anyone that's involved a point of difference, because you are taking time out of your day to inspire the younger generation, but also to give back. I don't think any company should be too busy to get involved with stuff like this. It's really beneficial for everyone involved.
I enjoyed meeting people who've had like real life work experience and talking to them about that.
We enjoyed finding our own way around the orienteering, like we loved it so much.
And like we learned breathing exercises.
We got to interview like a load of people and it was quite fun.
Like we did yoga, talk about our futures, CVs and all that.
And they were talking to us about make sure we have time away from our phone and not always on social media.
I want them to be inspired. I want them to reach really high, have a high expectation for themselves of what their life can be. I want them to learn about certain jobs that they will never had heard of. And the fact that today they were able to talk to professionals, to go to their workplaces, to see what it looks like to be in an office, that is, for me, the most valuable thing.
We've been fantastically supported by Wellington Place, who have driven all of this. The cost, the resource, the timing, it's not a huge amount to the company, and what you get back from a kind of a reward, feeling that you've given that and given that understanding, far outweighs any kind of sacrifice that the company has needed to make. So no, a really, really great initiative.
It's been brilliant to see kids actually be in an environment where they can aspire to be something that is different from what they normally get a chance to see and be inside, to see what opportunities and careers are available in these places. I think is absolutely brilliant for them. Some of the students who were quite nervous when they came in at the start of the day, then walking around interviewing employers at the end, and workplaces at the end of the day, but with a real level of confidence that's been built up throughout the day, which is really nice to see.
It helped me with understanding the career I want to do and the pathway to it.
I thought that there weren't many opportunities in Leeds because I've always lived here and you don't really take notice of everyone working, but today it's like made me realise that there's actually a lot of business opportunities.
It's just helped me to like think of the bigger picture, what I want to do outside education, how I might manage that, what I might do, things like that.
Really, really important that we get the students to understand that they can work in places like this. It doesn't matter where you're from, you can walk through any door.
I think it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Get your school involved.